Hello there, my name is Vince from Mr. Telephone, and today I'm going to show you how to connect an iPod or an iPhone or whatever little media device you've got to your Mercedes-Benz. This particular car is a UK right-hand drive car. It's December 2012 C-Class, the C180, it's the W204, and I'm just going to show you how to connect up one of these via the aux input. Aux means auxiliary. Okay, so what you're going to need is, you're going to need obviously your iPhone or your iPod. This is my daughter's, and you're going to need one of these. This is a 3.5mm jack. Make sure you get the stereo one and don't get the 4-pin one. I have these in my eBay shop. I've got them down as iPod leads or 3.5 jacks or aux leads, so just search for any of them and you find them. They're pretty cheap, ranging from a couple of pounds up to a tenner for a really long one. This particular one is a 50cm one. If anything, it's a little bit too long. I also have 15cm and 25cm, 1 metre. You're not really going to need anything longer than that in a car, possibly 2 meters if the ones in the back want to muck about with it. But basically your aux port is actually in this little centre bit here, and if you have a look down the bottom, just shine my torch in there, can you see this one here? That's the, zoom in. This one here is the 3.5mm aux, and you've also got a little USB next to it there if you want to connect up a USB device, but this video is about the 3.5, the aux lead. Okay, so you get your aux lead and you plug it in. Plug it in like so, yeah? And then you plug the other end into your iPod. Yeah? Now what you need to do is you need to turn on. Now at the moment it will probably be on radio or your sat-nav, whatever you're watching last. So what you need to do is, using your little drive down here, yeah, you need to go up to audio. Press down. So you basically go up to audio and you press down, yeah? Okay. And then can you see here, you've now got the option to move it around. So aux, Bluetooth audio, USB storage, disc, radio. Okay, so using this you just rotate it round to the different options. Yeah? So let's go down to aux, like that. Now we need to turn on this iPod. Let's have a look at my daughter's music collection. She's only 8, so there's going to be all sorts of rubbish on here. One Direction, that's what, there we go, Crazy Frog. Okay. I'll just wind you up a bit. Okay, and as you can see, that's now coming through the TV. Coming through the car. Yeah? So it's nice, because if you're on the motorway and stuff, sometimes these iPods don't really give off much volume, so you can connect it to your phone. Now, once you're done with that, you will have to then change it back, so let's just get rid of this a minute. So now, if you were to turn off your system and then back on again, it will now stay on the aux, so you're going to have to change it back to the radio. So if you go up to audio again, can you see it stays on aux? So change it back to the radio by doing the same thing again, just pressing this little button down, and then you'll be back on the radio. Okay, thanks all for watching. If you need these aux leads, please have a look at www.mrtelephone.co.uk. Thanks very much. Bye now.